Imagine if your Henry wasn't just a vacuum, but a superhero. Today we're turning Henry into SuperHenry with a cape that anybody can make. There's no sewing, no fancy equipment, we're just using stuff that you've got at home. You will need an old t-shirt or an old sweatshirt. I'm using an old red sweatshirt, but you can choose any colour at all. If you're wanting to felt tip your design onto yours, lighter colours are always best. You will also need a pair of scissors and some felt tip pens. You may also need some strong sticky tape or some glue, but they're optional. Let's make a start by cutting out our cape. Get your old piece of clothing and we need to cut a rectangle, which is the same size as an A4 sheet of paper. We then need to make two arms at the top. This is how we're going to attach it to Henry's handle. These are going to be roughly 3 centimeters wide and 12 centimeters long. It doesn't have to be exact though. Once you've got your cape cut out, it's time for the fun stuff. Let's get creative. Just go wild and design your own using your felt tip pens, putting anything on it at all. There's no rules. It doesn't even have to be a superhero. It could be part of your favourite football team or something. You could, however, just copy my design that I'm doing on this video. Go onto the link in the description and you can print off this SuperHenry badge and you can colour it in whatever colour you like. Then all you'll need to do is use some glue to stick it to your cape. Once your design is done and any glue is dry, we need to just attach it to Henry's handle. It's so easy. The arms at the top of the cape just go over Henry's handle and then back underneath it. And if you put the handle down, it actually holds it in place. If, however, you really love your cape, you could use some strong tape to keep it on the handle, and that way you can remove it whenever you like. Or you could also glue the arms onto the cape so it stays there all the time. And now for the magic. It's time to switch your Henry on and watch his cape flap around as he speeds around the house cleaning up all your mess. I hope you've enjoyed this video today and I hope you have fun creating your cape. I cannot wait to see them. Please like the video and also share it with as many friends and family as you can. We want to see as many kids and adults making capes as possible. Also, at some point in August, I'm going to do a video that showcases all of the capes that you've been making. So, if you can get an adult to go onto the Henry Bags Facebook page, send me a picture or even better a video of your cape, include your first name and your age, and I'll give you a mention on the video that I do. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and this is another fun Henry video for you to watch.